Hello everyone, today we will see 5 questions from the mathematical method side. First of all, let's see the differential equation. Consider a differential equation y double prime 2y prime plus y equal to 0. If y of 0 is 0 and y prime of 0 is 1, then the value of y of 2 is, so we have to find the value of y of 2. Okay, we have to specify our answer to two digits after the decimal point. So we have to solve this equation, and the solution is y. Okay, now we consider general one, d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx qy equal to 0. The auxiliary equation, auxiliary equation corresponding to this differential equation is this: d square plus p d plus q equal to 0, where this d stands for the derivative, first order derivative, d square for the second order derivative. So this is the auxiliary equation. So we find the roots of this equation. If the roots are real and different, suppose m1 and m2 are the roots and they are real and different, then y, the solution is given by c1 e to the power m1x, c2 e to the power m2x. The roots are real and equal. Suppose both the roots are equal, m1, then the solution is y equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power m1x. The roots are imaginary, that is alpha plus or minus I beta. Then the solution is y equal to e to the power alpha x a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. So this is a standard result. So depending upon the roots of the auxiliary equation, we can write the solution. So in this case, here we have d square plus 2d plus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, so that will be the auxiliary equation corresponding to this, that is written here, that is d plus 1 whole square equal to 0. This is d plus 1 whole square. So we get two roots, d plus 1 into d plus 1, so minus 1 minus 1, these are the two roots, and the two roots are equal. So this is the case. Okay, so the solution is y equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power minus x. Here y of 0 is given, y of 0 is 0. So if I use y of 0 equal to 0, I will get c1 equal to 0. So c1 is 0, so y of x is c2 x e to the power minus x. So this is the solution, c1 0. Then I have to find c2. So I differentiate this again with x, y prime of x is this. So that is c2 e to the power x into 1 minus x. Okay, this is y prime of x. And we know y prime of 0 is 1. So here I put x equal to 0, and that is put equal to 1. So I will get c2 equal to 1. So y of x, c2 is now 1. So y of x is x e to the power minus x. Okay, so solution has been obtained. Now what we want to determine is y of 2. So what is y of 2? The y of 2 is now what is y of 2? Y of 2 is 2 e to the power minus 2, that will be 0.27. Okay, a similar problem is here. Find the solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx equal to 0. Boundary conditions are given. Y of 0 is 2, dy by dx, the first order derivative at x equal to 0 is 2. Both are 2. Okay, find the value of x where y is equal to 0. So we have to find value of x when y is equal to 0. So for this differential equation, this is the auxiliary equation, d square plus 5d equal to 0. So d. So I will get two roots, m1 equal to 0, m2 equal to minus 5. These are two different roots. Okay, so if the roots are different, we know If the two roots are different, we know y is given by this. Okay, so once again we can write the solution as equal to y equal to this c1 c2 e to the power minus x, because 0 and minus 5 are the two roots. Now y of 0 is 2. This is given to us, so c1 plus c2 is 2. Okay, and y prime of 0, so we have to differentiate this with respect to x, so this will be c2 minus, so y prime of 0, that will be equal to that is 2, so this is c2 equal to minus 2 by 5, so c1 is equal to 2 plus 2 by 5, that is equal to 12 by 5. So anyway, y is equal to 12 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into e to the power minus 5x. When y is 0, okay, when y is 0, this will be e to the power 5x. So this is the solution. Then what we are going to do is determine the value of x for y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, you find the solution, and the solution will be this. Okay, so this is the value of x when y is equal to 0. So both these two problems are of the same type. Now let's see the tangent line to the curve x square plus xy plus 5 equal to 0 at 1 1. Okay, the tangent line to the curve x square plus xy plus 5 equal to 0 at 1 1. We are given 4 options. Okay, A, B, C, D, 4 options are given. We have to choose the correct one. Okay, so this is the curve, and we have to find the tangent. The equation for the tangent is this: y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Here m is the slope, which is dy by dx, and x1 y1 is the point where we find the tangent, and m is the slope at x1 y1. So what we do is we differentiate this with respect to x. So you will get this, and dy by x, dy by dx is this, and dy by dx is this. Okay, dy by dx is this. So dy by dx when x and y are 1 are given by this. So minus 3, that is the slope at x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, minus 3. So just plug into this equation. M equal to minus 3 is given here, and we have y minus 1, x minus 1. So from this I will get y equal to minus 3x plus 4, that is the option B, y equal to minus 3x plus 4. So this is the tangent. Okay, next one is we have to find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing a equal to this and b equal to this. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing this. The answers are given here. Actually 4 options are there, only one is correct. Okay, so how can we find that? What we do is we find a dot n and b dot n. N is the unit vector. Okay, suppose that n is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing a and b, and if a dot n equal to 0 and b dot n equal to 0, then that unit vector will be perpendicular to the plane containing a and b. Okay, so what we do is we find a dot with this and b dot with this and check whether it is 0, and a dot with this and b dot with this and check whether it is 0. And we can see for option D, both a dot n and b dot n equal to 0 is satisfied if you are taking this as the unit vector. So this is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing this a and b. Okay, then the next one is a straightforward one. 4 vectors are there. Sorry, 4 vectors a, b, c. 3 vectors are there. A is this, b is this, and c is this. The vector product a cross b cross c is 4 options are given. We have to choose one correct option from this. Okay, 4 options are here. Same direction as C, the direction opposite to C, in the same direction to B, in the direction opposite to B. So A cross B cross C, what will be? the vector cross product of three vectors is given by this equation: b a dot c minus c a dot b. A cross b cross a is b a dot c minus c a dot b. Okay, so what we do, we know a b c, we find a dot c a dot b and multiply corresponding a dot c with b and a dot b with c and subtract, and you will get this 2j minus 2k, which is j minus k is c. Okay, j minus k is c and 2c. So the correct option is A, in the same direction as C, because this is 2 times C. So the cross product is the same direction as that of C. So A is the correct option.